currently 5:18 and I'm getting ready to hit the road. I was wanting to leave at like 4:30, but if I left that early, I wouldn't have had any sleep, to be honest. And I literally was so tired this morning. I gotta make my breakfast, pack it in my insulator thing, and pack my food and stuff, and then basically we can head out. I did hit a new low this morning, so yes. Thank God, because I was up all day yesterday, like for so long, and I feel like I burnt more calories throughout yesterday than I have in any day just because of how long I was up for and stuff. And I just burned through all my food yesterday, so it's a good thing. Now I'm gonna basically do the opposite and sit in a truck the whole day and just sit the whole time. This bag has pretty much everything in it for me for today. That's my next meal. This is my breakfast meal. This is part of my breakfast meal. Some sauces. I literally need a whole bag just for sauces. But there's also hard-boiled eggs. And then in this one, it's just the extra stuff that I'm bringing, like the extra sweet potato, extra rice. And I'm surprised I only have 3 cooler bags for this trip so far. I'm making my cream of rice right now, which I don't know where it's gonna go actually. I have this cup I can use for my iced coffee, but it's like not big enough. And I need like a bigger cup for ice. Because I want it to be like a grande size or like a venti size iced coffee. I don't want it to be like a tall, if that makes sense. I want to drink with a straw. I have this kiwi cup I could probably use, but I forgot. I have to pack these two, which I'm like out of room. I'm just gonna put them in like these little thingies. Oh, that hurt so bad. That hurt my hand. It's fine because I actually don't drink coffee really. Double espresso. Ready to go. Bennett, you ready? Got the litter box. We're good to go. 7 o'clock on the dot. Just what you wanted. Happy 4th of July!
And Bennett's birthday.
How old is she?
11.
Are you sure? I think she was 11 last year.
She's 11.
Is she 11? She's 11 years old. She's officially a senior. Weather looks nice. She's literally sitting on him. I see you. I have both cats on me. We can't seem to get Bandit comfy. Is insane. I've never been to a Buc-ee's. This one's in Daytona. Apparently the Daytona one isn't like, I don't know, I guess there's other ones that are bigger, better, and like the OGs. It looks like a full-on store, and then also it has like a butcher shop like of meats for your breakfast sandwiches, and like a whole bunch of glorious foods that looked amazing. And I'm like, wow, this would be nice if I wasn't in prep, but I need to eat my first meal, so I'm gonna eat my first meal now. It's 10 o'clock, we're on hour 3. Cats are currently enjoying the birds outside. You see the birds? He's gonna like jump through the window. You know what's funny? Austin was like so concerned that Mello would be the one meowing possibly throughout the whole car ride, but it's freaking Bandit. It's Bandit who is literally meowing. We should have gave her some drugs or something, because she is just like the whole time. Like she can't get comfortable. She's just like on edge the whole time. Usually she's quiet. Usually she's really good with it. I moved to the back seat. Definitely more roomier back here. Cracked it open for this guy. It's currently 11:40. How did I get here? How did I get here? So it's currently 12:45 and I need to eat. Guys, it's my turn to drive. I took like a 10-minute nap, so I feel okay, and I drank some of that Sunny D energy drink. Hey, baby! We're at Chipotle for him, and we're switching. So it's 4th of July, right? And I'm at Chipotle for Austin, but they closed. So they're closed. I went into Starbucks, and Starbucks is open. So I don't know what he's gonna do. So I'm gonna get my next meal out. I'm gonna have my chicken and rice meal. I'm going to just drop it in there so it heats it up. Let's see if it freaking works. We have 8 hours to go. Ugh, I just drove a bit. The only issue with driving was my freaking back was absolutely killing me at first. Like, it was in so much pain. I just felt like literally like it was squeezing the whole time. Like, put my jacket behind my lower back just to like position it in a good way, and I had to tell my muscles to kind of like relax so that they weren't tensing up the whole time. So I just had to find a good position, and then finally when I did, I was like chilling. The only reason why we stopped was because I needed to go pee. I just wanted to give a little update. The little guy's sleeping. I thought we were in North Carolina the whole time. We were actually in South Carolina the whole time, and we're just now entering North Carolina. It's currently 5 o'clock.
When I was sleeping, you were gonna drive all the way through South North Carolina.
I thought so too. That's why when I stopped, I was like, oh, like I'm almost to Virginia. No.
Virginia?
I literally thought I was. Guess not. That's crazy.
Same. I can't
Oh my god. My lips. I'm so sorry to all the videos that I've created with dry lips. I look like a zombie right now. Like, I look insane. We're at Sheetz now, getting some gas. Gonna feed the babies one more time. We're gonna get another energy drink because to make it through till Monday, I think we need to split one to just like get us through. So that's what we're doing. I actually have a headache right now. Oh my god, look at them. I put like my chapstick on, and I actually think it brought me back to life just a little bit compared to before. I don't know why I didn't do this the whole time. I literally feel like I look a million times better just with hydrating my lips a little bit. He got a drink. What did he get? Oh shit. You got that one?
Yeah, for you.
I was like wanting to try this one. He said that he doesn't want to try it because he said there might be a rat in it. They got new ownership, I think, so I'm hoping that changes. 6:47 and we have a good bit to go. I'm gonna try the taste test. is exactly what the. Oh my god, this is good.
It's good?
Mm-hmm. It's exactly what it says. Like, I like it. I approve. You don't like it? Literally tastes like a orange soda. Like, no, like orange ice cream soda.
That's good.
Isn't it?
It's close to perfect, but it has like something about it.
Maybe it's artificially.
There's something about like the orange kick that it gives off that's like not right. It's still like good.
It's like a
still
sherbet. Cream. Sherbet.
Yeah. You gotta make sure you drink at least half of this.
I think I'm drinking too much on accident.
Mm-hmm.
That was good. 6:51. Going on to hour. Yeah. Going on to hour 12. We're about to have a 17-hour trip.
How did I get here?
It's still sunny. My ears are actually killing me. Like, it hurts. My ears hurt. It literally feels like I'm in an airplane right now. Austin's literally dying. His brain is mush. 9 o'clock. 3.5 hours left.
How did I get here?
Well, guys, 12:15 and we made it back. We made it to the house. I'm actually dead. My eyes are like bloodshot and I'm so hungry I could die. You got a 3-course meal there. I have a single course whey drip dessert. Currently 1:10. It feels so much better. Now I washed off.
What time do you think you're getting up?
I'll probably wake up at like 8 or 9 naturally.
Like, I'm gonna try and get up, but if I'm like incapacitated and I'm not getting up, bring the cats to the sunroom so they can like see light. This food like as I'm getting full, my body is like yes, and my body's just like shutting down. Like I'm getting so tired, I can just like feel the wave of like heaviness like hitting me. It's like my body's like, okay, we got what we need, now go to sleep right now.
I want to open an ice right now.
Right now.
1:15. It was a long one. I'm really happy we drove.
We've almost been on 24 hours.
Yeah, if you wait like another 2 hours, 3 hours, I've been up 24 hours. It's always fun taking road trips with cats in Austin. They're my besties. We're just like our little clan, our little family. We like to do things together like this. So I'm gonna go to bed, finish out the night, and call it a day.
I've thought about Melo's face so many times still, and like it literally like makes me laugh still. We both clearly just saw him like not really lick her, and then the only spot he went down to her butt, and then all of a sudden
He was like, it was like,
but his lips were like,
yeah, they were like,
it was like a
it was an actual meme. It was like an
It was
emoji.
literally a meme. I think I've seen
I'm
it.
dead. Bye. I'm closing this out now.
It's already